Hey guys, what's going on? It's R32 Bats. Today is the first episode of rebuilding the R32. I'm just trying to do a quick walk around. So for anyone that doesn't know, I was involved in a crash which resulted in it being a write-off, and yeah, basically it's written off. Some guy just decided to literally just stop in the middle of the road and reverse into me like really hard, and that's the damage basically. Can't tell on camera, but this bumper is caved in right here. Oop. Headlights obviously smashed. That one's broken on the tabs. You can see, yeah, radiators were cracked, bent and everything. Now I'm trying to open the bonnet. Obviously it's stuck because I don't know if you know on Mk4s, the bonnet releases like a little pull tab. Yeah, I can deal with that. Alright, so we've got the bonnet open. Yeah, it's pretty fucked. Anyways, it's not looking good, bruv. Look at this. Let's get to work, bruv. And that was the GTI. Let's go.
You can't put them in.
So we've got the headlights out, bumpers off, guides are fine. Now, the thing with my car is, for people that didn't know, there was 2 gens of xenon headlights. Mine had the first generation, 1 minute, which had these ballasts that mount under the wing, which always go faulty because they was right under the wing and arch line is cut, so water gets in and stuff. So the new lights I've got is the Joey modded ones, the black lights, they're custom lights, and the good thing about them is they're Gen 2, so they don't use these ballasts. And now I'm gonna take the slam panel off. As you can see, it's all cracked, damaged, it's all bent. Everything is gonna be replaced. Yeah. Update. Got the front end off.
Why are you doing a selfie camera?
Crash bar off.
Why are you doing it with your
Headlight
dad?
off.
Why are you showing the car with the front of your phone?
Anyways, headlights out. Got some bad news. That faceplate on the leg looks slightly bent.
It's not,
But we should be able to sort it out. It is bent.
bro.
Look
This
at that.
bolt's not looking good, bro.
Look at the state of that.
Look at the state of it.
It's not looking good, bruv. But up next, Should just be able to pull the slam off complete. Yeah. After that.
Let me tell you
Never mind. We need to undo the rads and stuff.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Alright. So this pipe is gone off. Ripped. This side is obliterated by the fan. These two need to change. You can see it's not looking good. Yep. It's not looking good. Around there, what have we got?
Undo the red pipe. Do that. Put the slam off.
What's going on, guys? So we're going to get some coolant pipes from Style Dynamics. Shout out to them. Without them, we'll be stuck right now. They're the coolest guys ever. Give them a follow. Yes, we're back. We're at Style Dynamics. Thankfully, Sack, a man himself, he had the pipe we needed. Here it is. So this is the old one. As you can see, sliced, bulged, horrendous. This is the one from Sack's engine. He was so kind to give me it. Yeah, basically, this is the new one. That was the only thing holding me back. Here we've got the bonnet on as well. Yeah, that pipe basically just goes on here. It joins the top of the rad. And yeah, after that, we'll get on to getting everything on. Hopefully this is not going to be an issue because it's slightly bent, but we'll see. But yeah, apart from that, to be honest, I don't see why we shouldn't be done today. Just need to top some coolant up, have a little bit, but it's alright, I can put a bit of water in it as well. It's rubbish as well. Yeah, so that's what we'll be going up to now. Anything else I missed? I don't think so. We might have an issue with the headlights. The headlights, my car had the Gen 1 headlights, and the Gen 1 headlights have these ballasts that mount under the wing on each side. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. Anyways, it has these headlights, ballast thingies, and this plug also goes in to the headlight. So I might have an issue there because the new lights I've got, as we'll get to see in a minute, is Gen 2 and they're custom ones. And basically I'm not going to be able to run these because they don't use these ballasts. They have their own ballast on the back of the headlight itself. So I'm going to be lucky to get away with plugging this in, and I hope it fucking works. But yeah, that's about it, to be honest. I don't see anything else. Any other pipes, they all look fine. As you can see, everything else looks solid. There is a bit of damage on the other pipes and inlet manifold and yada yada yada, but it looks alright. So we'll get cracking now. Yeah, got to show you guys. I changed the fan packs from my old one because these were brand new, as you can see. Yeah, these are solid. If you know about these, they fucking fail on the Mk4s a lot. So yeah, basically I decided to put my old fan packs on. That way I can keep the other ones as a spare, just in case I need to change them out again in the future. But for now, yeah. So what we've done is we've used the new rad and the new AC condenser from the new slam panel that we got from Dubtech Custom. Shout out to him because he's been the man behind this whole thing. He's literally gone and sourced me everything in one night. Gone and picked up everything. Looking at this bonnet now, there is a bit of damage on it, as you can see. And the paintwork on itself is actually quite faded. See, over here it's fine, but then the lacquer's faded. I was going to polish it, but now, looking at it now in the daylight, as you can see, I think it could benefit from a respray. So my idea is to blow the complete front end, wings, bonnet. Bumper's been freshly painted, I'll show you guys in a minute. Blow the front end over and then PPF it so I don't have to deal with it again. If anyone doesn't know what PPF is, basically paint protection films, like clear wrap in a sense, basically protects the paint. I think get the gist of it. But yeah, so now, you know, put that pipe on and move on from there. Yeah, so this is the old pipe, and it was on like, I believe, something like that. Yeah, it was on like that, or the other way, whatever. No, it was on like this. It was on like this. Yep, and this is a new one. Don't mind the slippers. This is the new old one. The mid pipe is actually slightly different, but I don't see why it's not gonna work. So we'll see. Worst case, we'll just switch it over. So now we've got the new one on, all up and running. Now it's time to get this bad boy on. Let's go. Yes guys, we've got the rad and the slam all on. After trying to do this for so long, it's finally on. Right, so we've got the slam on. That's gonna be it for today. I think we've done well today. Partially basically done the hard bits today, so that's out the way. With that out the way, like this one, yeah, with all the hard bits out the way, all we've got left is plug up those few more plugs, plug them up, stick the two headlights in, and then it's job done. So yeah, make sure you come back to see part 2. It's gonna be a part 2. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you come back to part 2, where we will finish it off.